Did ChatGPT just get a huge upgrade? GPT 5.6. Hello everyone. OpenAI has officially launched GPT 5.6, its newest and most advanced AI model yet, and it brings some major improvements over previous versions. The biggest upgrade is smarter reasoning. GPT 5.6 understands complex questions more accurately, gives more reliable answers, and makes fewer mistakes. It also follows instructions better, making conversations feel much more natural. Another major improvement is coding. GPT 5.6 can write, explain, debug, and optimize code faster than before, making it an excellent assistant for developers and students. It's also better at writing. Whether you need emails, essays, scripts, summaries, or creative content, GPT 5.6 produces more polished and human-like results with improved grammar and style. OpenAI has also improved multimodal abilities, allowing GPT 5.6 to understand text, images, and other types of information more effectively. It can analyze screenshots, documents, and photos with greater accuracy. The new GPT 5.6 family includes Sol, the flagship model for maximum performance, Terra, which balances speed and capability, and Luna, a faster, lower-cost model for everyday tasks. This gives users more choices depending on what they need. GPT 5.6 also delivers stronger performance while using computing resources more efficiently. Overall, GPT 5.6 is faster, smarter, more accurate, and more reliable than earlier ChatGPT models. Whether you're a student, programmer, creator, or professional, this update makes ChatGPT more capable than ever before. If you're excited to try GPT 5.6, let me know what feature you're looking forward to the most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech updates.